Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. If you're new here, my name is Shelly, owner-operator of Flash Custom Transfers, the most affordable and durable DTF transfers in the world. And we have exciting news for you today. From the title, you guys already know, yes, you are right. We are bringing back our gang sheet setup service. Woo! You guys have been asking and asking and asking and asking and asking, so we will deliver. You know that's what we do. We are here for the people. We are here to deliver. I still get emails every single day of people saying, can you set up my gang sheet? Can you set up my gang sheet? And people are still not aware of the new ordering process where we don't set up gang sheets and they're still sending me individual images. So we decided to come up with something to provide that service for you all, because there's a lot of you that still don't have that software and don't have time to learn the software. We, spent countless amount of hours teaching you how to set up your gang sheet, and some people just don't have time. They're like, I just want to pay. I don't have time to learn. I don't have time to set up this gang sheet. I just need my stuff. Flash Custom Transfers is here for you, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over the details just so everything is clear. And if you guys have any questions, you can always email us. And let's go ahead and get straight into it. With our, with our gang sheet setup, it will be at our Flash Graphics email, which is our graphic designing email, flashgraphics@flashcustomtransfers.com. That is the email where we take care of your vectors, your background removal, your logo creation, your embroidery effect, anything like that, and now your gang sheet setup. So that will be again at flashgraphics@flashcustomtransfers.com. And if you go to our website right now, you will see this beautiful flyer. So this is the front page of our website. We do have this amazing Richardson hat deal going on right now. 24 hats for $3.99 with one embroidery location, not DTF, this is embroidery. So please take a look at that, because that's hot. But this right here, this is our gang sheet setup details. We're gonna go ahead and go into that and kind of explain everything. Like I said, it's just a quick video just to explain and let y'all know. I know you guys are excited. So we're gonna go ahead and go through the prices of all of our gang sheets. It is a little different. Back in the day, we used to charge $25, but we had one size. Now we have 5 sizes and they're up to 10 feet. So the prices are gonna range a little bit. So a 22 by 12, and this is for DTF and UV DTF. 22 by 12 is $25. So it's gonna go up of increments of 10. So 22 by 12 is 25. A 22 by 24 is 35. 22 by 36 is 45. 22 by 60 is 55, and a 22 by 120 is 65. 10 feet. Crazy. And this is just get a setup fees. You are still responsible for the price of the sheet and for the shipping. This is setup, gang sheet setup only. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the details. With each setup fee, this is what comes along with that. You do get a free resolution check. Also, we just verify resolution, make sure it's up to quality for high quality printing. If it is not up to quality, we will give you that consultation and let you know, hey, this is not to the highest resolution. Do you have a vector? We offer our vectoring service, and this is another part where we can vector for you, remove that background removal, but you will get that free consultation. We won't just use your images if they're low resolution. So that comes involved with the fee. Also, you get 4 images with 4 variations, which means every gang sheet that you are setting up, if it's a 22 by 12 to a 22 by 120, you get 4 images, up to 4 images with 4 variations, which means you can send me 4 images with 4 different dimension variations. If you want to add any images, it will be additional $5. So you get up to 4, anything more, $5. If you need 10 images on this gang sheet, it will, the first 4 will be free, and then anything after that will be additional $5. It just helps keep keep the bottlenecking down. There's so many people will send me 50 images and they're screenshots and they're these and they're that and it just takes up way too much time. So we do charge for our services, and we will be charging for those additional images, but that service is still available for you guys. Again, that is at Flash Graphics at flashcustomtransfers.com. All of our gain sheet setups will be there. You cannot order these. There is not a place on the website where you can specifically click gain sheet setup. So we will have to do an invoice for these, because these are going to be pretty much as needed, not as needed, per order. So I would have to see, okay, so you want this, you have this many images, I will send you an invoice. So kind of like a free quote every time. So again, Flash Graphics at flashcustomtransfers.com. Gain sheet setup, free resolution check, free consultation, 4 images, 4 variations, and $5 per image after that. Quick and easy, lemon squeezy. Again, thank you all for supporting Flash Custom Transfers. Please visit our website at flashcustomtransfers.com. And if you have any questions about DTF, you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Again, this gain sheet setup is for regular DTF and UV DTF. Same thing, same process. So we will see you guys next time. Bye.